Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Larry in Kansas on this Footwarmer II bass amplifier. The Footwarmer II has a low, high, and test, and in this model, low is basically a small modulator with no increase in dead key. High will get you a little more, and test is like your super high. Sideband works great on it, delay, receive works great on it. I'm going to show you what we're putting into it first. Cobra 148 GTL, 5-watt slug. I'm going to back her down here at about, put 3 watts of carrier into it. 100-watt slug going forward, PEP mode. I'm going to start with the low side. I'm going to show you on the carrier. See, the carrier backed it down to 1/2 watt because we're in the modulator position. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 40 watts peak. So it's took that 20-watt radio and is now peaking at 40 watts. We're going to go to the high scale. 100-watt slug, 1x position. Go over here, 5-watt slug. Now we got about a 3-watt carrier. Hello, audio. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip. We're on standby. Key it up. Give about a 4-watt carrier, which is okay on this amplifier here. Flip it back on, we're in the high mode. 100-watt slug going forward. Keying about 8 watts. 2x position. Hello, audio. It's almost 160 watts. Now we're going to go to high. 2x position, so that is almost about 44 watts carrier. Hello, audio. Pegs a 200-watt scale. I'll go 5x position. Makes it a 500-watt scale. Middle scale. Hello, audio. Exactly 250 watts. Now, Larry, this thing's ready to come back to you. Just remember, your low is a modulator. High will increase it somewhat, and test is if you're going to run it as an amplifier. Larry, we appreciate it, bud. We got your new connectors, the SOS installed in the back. Teflon, of course, solid silver. Thank you again, my friend, from truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye-bye.